Hi everyone, so I'm here today to talk about the Olaplex No.4P Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. So this is a shampoo that is perfect for grey hair or blonde hair. Whether your blonde is natural or bleached, it will help to remove any brassiness and any unwanted yellow tones in the hair. It will give you 3 times brighter results compared to other purple shampoos. It is designed with Olaplex's painted bond building technology, which means it repairs and it strengthens. It also softens and adds shine. It is pH balanced, which means it gives you healthy results with each use. We recommend to use about 2 to 3 times weekly. However, it is soft enough and gentle enough for frequent use. So how to use: you want to apply onto wet hair, you want to gently massage in, you want to leave on for 1 to 3 minutes, or if you want a more intense result, we recommend to leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Then you can follow with your Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Hope you all have a lovely day. Bye!